Richie, bullets and broadheads. How's everybody doing today? Got another vid coming to you. Let me shut the door here. I get bothered. Today, if you see my other video, I just bought a CM9. Took it to the range today. I'm going to do a whole nother video on my range report and a review field strip. And it ran flawless. Put 100 rounds to it. No problems whatsoever. Cost CM9. But today I'm going to put on some talon grips. Just wanted to make sure everything was good before I even put grips on. I have another video coming out, a range video, about how to break in a gun. I think you guys really enjoy that one. So, always, anytime you work on a gun, I don't care what you're doing to it, make sure they're empty. And make sure there's no live ammo around. Accidents happen, and there's no such thing as a magic bullet that once you fire you can bring it back. So again, anytime you do anything to a gun, I don't care what it is, make sure there's no ammo. Bottom line. Today I'm going to put on some talon grips. I put these on every single gun I own, and I absolutely love them. It's really a simple procedure, but some people do this wrong, and more importantly, there's just one step they fail to follow at the end, which I'm going to just show you how I put these on. If you notice my other guns, my LC9, my Glocks, my LCP, they all have talon grips, and I love them. Now this is the alcohol pad they come with. You clean it down with alcohol, make sure there's no dirt and grime. I just cleaned this gun. And what they do say is to field strip it and take the slide off. But I handle the gun better with it on, and it doesn't really interfere with anything. So you make sure it's all clean. And that's for that. And then you're going to start on one side. Let me peel this back. Okay, here we go. So we're going to peel this all the way back. And you're going to start pressing it on. Now talon grips have everything cut out for the logos. It's pretty much the same identical the stiffling on the handle here. So start off from the left. Line it up perfectly with the stiffling. And once you get that front part, and just slowly let it fall into place. Don't stretch it out. Just let it fall into place. The back strap, make sure that's centered. Let it just keep going around. Make sure, one of the biggest things you don't want to do is cover your magazine release. So again, if you're a little off, just take it up a little bit. There we go. Wrap it around. Make sure there's no bubbles in it. See how it's falling right over the stifling here? You can't even see the outline of it. And that is it for this part. Press it down nice. If you mess up, just redo it. It's no big deal. Because the final procedure is what puts everything together. Okay, once you have it good, if there's something you don't like, you can lift it, redo it. This one is a little off to me right here, so I'm going to lift it. Put it back on a little bit better. Okay. Once you got everything where you're happy with it, the key now, sorry, I'm out of camera here. The key now is the blow dryer. So I'm in position with everything. Everything looks good. you can mold it into place, slide it a little bit. The key is this: get a hair dryer, on low, and just heat it up. And keep pressing it. Into position. This is the final step. Hope you can hear me. That's what creates the bond, the true bond, where you won't have any problems with it coming up or lifting. So remember, talon grips, I love them. I get the rubber ones. I don't like the sandpaper that much. But just heat it up with the hair dryer and you're good to go. That's the best way to keep it on. Do they last forever now? They're $15, free shipping. Talon grips. I love them. They feel real good. You get the grip. I mean, it makes night and day difference the way it feels in your hand. And I find when you do carry them, they don't interfere with your holsters. They don't stick. Whatever you like, the rubber, sandpaper, either ones work good. Talon grips, easy to install. The big factor I would say is put on your blow dryer and heat it up at the end and just work it into place, and they won't come off for a long time. Okay, a little tip, talon grips review coming up on this gun. It worked beautiful today, and that's it. Little quick video. Take care, guys.